Hi Felters, and welcome to day 20 of your Woodland Advent Calendar. We are getting there. So let's get this out of the bag. Nice and easy now, they're all close to the bottom. So day 20, let's open it up. Now this is a beautiful colour. So this is a day off day again. This is just a colour for your stash. So this is a tiger's eye, and it is, I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous mix of colours. I can see fibres coming out as I do this. I think you can see the colours in this wool. I might do a little close-up and show you that. But it's a Berkshire wool from Artisan, Norwegian wool at Artisan Felt and Stitch, who I've already showcased to you before, and I'll link their video again at the end. But these Berkshire wools, see, I've used Berkshire wools, but I didn't realise that they did these kind of blends, which are two colours together, and they've named them after precious stones. So we've got things like emerald, malachite, tourmaline blue, lapis lazuli. So they've got this one is tiger's eye, which is a lovely amber coloured stone, if you know your stones or your gemstones. And I just thought, what perfect colour to use for Highland cows. So this, as I said, is an extra for your stash, but just to sort of highlight some of the wools. They're quite a rough mix, and they give a really sort of natural looking depth and colour to, if you're doing sort of, well, a Highland cow, but if you're doing anything with sort of a flat coat as well, and they'd be really great in 2D pictures. But you can see, even in the sun there, you can see the colours. So there we go, that is tiger's eye wool, hopefully a nice amount for you, just to add to your stash. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow, day 21.